This is Chester from Cube, and I got your email. Wanted to follow up with a quick video showing you exactly how to accomplish what you're looking to do with playlist mixing. So in Cube, we call that blending, and we have a blend tool to accomplish what you're looking to do. So we go up to the blends section once you log in here, and this will load. Here's a bunch of blends we've built in our demo account. You'll click the plus sign up here, create a new blend. So we'll call this test for Eddie, and then we'll add a playlist. And you said the first playlist you wanted to add was the 90% of my favorite hits. So we'll just choose an item and scroll down through until you find my favorite hits. And click on that. And then we're gonna set that to 90%. So there's 90%, and we'll add a playlist, and the other one was Classic Christmas. So Classic Christmas Holiday, and you wanted 10% of that. It'll only let you go up to 10%, so that's easy. And you can add virtually unlimited number of playlists here to blend them in different percentages. But here in this case, you've got the 90 and the 10. So you're all done. We'll click Save here. And then that blend right here simply becomes a playlist that you can schedule in your scheduling. So we go back to schedules, and if you have a music schedule like corporate music here, and you want to add an item, then that blend is going to show up at the bottom of the list. So below all the playlists, below all your folders, then you'll find your blends down here at the bottom. So all the way down here, and you'll see we've got Test for Eddie. So we can assign that then into the schedule and schedule it for whatever we want to schedule it. So you may want to create a couple of blends. You may want one that's 10%, one that's 50%, one that's and then switch to 100%. So you can absolutely do that. Or you can just go in and adjust the blend percentages as you go throughout the season. So closer to Christmas, you may want it to swap, or you may want 25 and 75. So you can do it like that. So that's how you use the blend tool. That's where you find the blends once you've created them as playlists and assign them to schedules. Hope that helps, Eddie. Please feel free to follow up if you have any further questions. Thank you.